Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here in emergency response, Liberty County. Today I am a sheriff here in Liberty County. So yeah, I'm just chilling. But I am just now heading to work, so yeah. I'm gonna go and call in a meeting because yesterday the day sheriffs did not do their job. Not even the captain. So pretty much the sheriff, he didn't even do his job. So let's go and call it all in. 1A323 to all units available. Please meet in the sheriff meeting room for night brief. Oh my gosh. 1A323 to all units. Please meet in the sheriff meeting room for meeting. I'm gonna say only sheriffs for this. Oh my gosh, 1A323 all sheriff units meet in meeting room. I'm gonna say you're the only one I see. You're the only one. Sheriff. I'm gonna say BTW. I am the captain. Like, BTW, I'm the captain. Yeah. We do have a bolo. We have a bolo out for a black Dodge Charger and a red Dodge Charger because they robbed the bank, got away. Also, we have what do you call it? A warrant. Also, we have a warrant out for arrests. Arrest. lastly, today should be a hard if needed, call for help. Dismissed. Have a great patrol. Okay, so we got that all dealt with. All units, we have a bolo out for a red and wait, technically we have 2 bolos out for a red Dodge Charger and a black Dodge Charger. Stay safe, because we want them to stay safe. Copy that. Oh, my fault. Oops. 18323. Show me available for calls tonight. This robbery in the house in the suburbs. Okay. Copy that, dude. Okay, I think we're gonna go and head up for some patrol out here. Yeah. Bro, this is the most insane meeting that we had, because normally I would have all of the sheriff's staff down there with me. But there was literally that one sheriff officer. Is anyone else gonna respond, or am I just gonna sit here on my own with him? So, literally what happened. So I did what I would do. I think it's because there was multiple things. Uniforms. Show me on scene 23. Okay, guys, we're literally right here. So let's go and put on our rear. 18323. Show me on scene 23 at the farms. Well, at the gas and go near the farms. For the ATM robbery. Stand by for more information. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, I responded, alright. I am assuming... Where would have the robbery been at? 1A323 to all units. I need backup at the gas and go near the farms. We have okay, so I hope nothing's fully going on. I don't really know. It's right here, yeah. I'm gonna go and turn on my lights so if they go down. Okay, so I guess we'll go and check it out again. Looks to be no one's gonna be responding. I'm just gonna say code 4. Oh, well, I should probably do my call sign. 1A323 to dispatch. Show the scene code 4. 1A323 to dispatch. Show the scene code 4. Okay, guys, so it looks like everything's good with the A team now. Yeah, it looks to be everything's all good. Looks like none of the shelf was broken. No, yeah, no, none of this is broken. Wait, guys, did you see that? Wait, there was black. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. All units found a Bolo black Dodge Charger last seen on Colonial Drive. All units keep a lookout. Sir, we're going inside him. Hey. 18323. Okay, guys, sorry for the little glitch. Officer, I requested backup earlier. I saw someone. I'm gonna say I saw someone with a Bolo out for them or him or she. I saw someone with the ball out for them, him or she. It's a black Dodge. I was already on the robbery scene. Oh, okay. I'm gonna say of course. Of course. Bye, officer. I'm gonna say bye, officer. I'll wave to him. 18323. 1A323 to dispatch. Show me 10-8 available for calls. 1A323. Let's try this again. 10-8. my gosh, guys. 1A323 is available for calls. Let's try that. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh, okay, yep. Okay, Guys, that is insane. Oh my. 18323, go and show me en route to call. I'm gonna be Riverside Drive at this time. I'm gonna go and pull up around back. Yeah, let's do back. Oh, nope. Riverside Drive. 18323, yeah, show me on scene. 18323 to dispatch, go and show me 23 on scene. I don't really see anything. We had a couple panic buttons, as you guys saw. Yep, over there. 18323, 23 on scene. Ow. Guys, well, make sure to like, subscribe, and have a good day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my Saturday, Sheriff's Saturday, from yesterday. Just remember, this is not required to Sheriff's Saturday. This is just a patrol. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye!